it going?
We're packing. Now, Gary is more methodical about how he packs his suitcase than necessarily my suitcase packing, but we've pretty much got this down to a science, right?
Yeah. I mean, it would be a lot shorter, but she unpacked a lot of stuff for me when we got back from Florida that I normally don't take out. So. Take out. So take me a little longer than usual, but not very long.
Oops. I misunderstood the assignment. But yeah, we use packing cubes. So, 10 out of 10. You gotta get some packing cubes.
Yeah, and this is the one you want to get. The bagel.
Bagel.
Those are the best. We have Gomex, and they're okay for like wet stuff. Gonex. They're okay for wet stuff, but honestly, this stuff gets all like stuck in the zippers, and that's the issue with them, and then it rips. So definitely recommend like this is a little heavier duty.
Yeah, we've had really good experience with ours. We've actually bought, I think, like 4 packs of them just to make sure we have enough of the size we want, because they do come with varying sizes. Yeah. And we like the bigger pack, so I think we bought them a few times. Yeah. But yeah, some of these we've had for
since we started traveling.
At least 3 years.
Yeah.
Like, as you can see, the label's completely pretty much
the pink
gone.
ones are the first ones we bought.
Yeah. So once Gary gets done packing his suitcase, then I will start tackling my suitcase.
Nacy working her way through her packing. What's your technique?
I have no technique.
No technique, huh?
I try. So this trip we're going to be gone for 2 months. So that's a pretty significant amount of time. However, majority of the time I will be working. So this is my scrub pack, which I've already packed. And I put 5 pairs of scrub pants in there and 5 pairs of like scrubby like work shirts. So that is majority of what I'll be wearing. And the rest of this is what I feel like I'm gonna wear when we have downtime, which will be like the 5 or 6 days off I have between the contracts. So I am packing more tank tops this trip because it's summer and tank tops are just easy. Like, they're so thin. There's really not much to them. And then I've just made sure I had like 3 pairs of pajamas, couple pairs of shorts, a pair of jeans, and then I'm gonna pack both my Dodgers jersey and probably my Braves jersey. So like if I feel like it's a cooler day but I still want to wear a tank top, I can just throw this over my tank top.
Strategies.
Gotta have like a rotating wardrobe that can be paired with other things. That is the trick to packing. Versatility.
Finished packing. Nacy's got her backpack. That's the last thing to add to the car. Daphne's sad that we're leaving.
I know, I'm sad too, baby.
But we're getting there. 2 months. We'll be back in 2 months.
It's crazy.
It is crazy.
We will not be back till July 24th-ish. Give or take a day.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Let's start this adventure. All right. Is it for 2 months. Bye, Daphne. We'll see you 2 months later.
Saying goodbye to our trash pan, Dakota.
Stay out the pics, okay? You stink. And I know you just got a bath.
It's because he's so low to the ground. It's like a speed demon. The windshield is still a little dirty, so once we get gas, I'll be scraping the bugs off. That's from our Florida trip that we just completed. If you want to see that, check down in the show notes. But we're heading out. This is what it looks like.
Yep. Headed back to Atlanta. And we're going to stay the night. And then we're taking a different way to the airport this time. We are returning the rental car because we're not quite sure how long we're going to be gone for. So it could be 2 months, it could be longer. We're really not 100% sure, so we didn't want to bring the car and park it indefinitely. So the car is going to stay back at Gary's dad's house, and we're going to drop this bad boy off and take the tram
to the airport. Be an interesting day tomorrow, so definitely subscribe if you want to see that too.
Another early morning.
Yes, another very early morning.
So we're gonna drive down to Atlanta. We'll probably, like Gary said, we're gonna get gas and then we'll probably get some food because there's not really a whole lot to eat in Atlanta that we like. And check into our hotel. Maybe go see Tia tonight. I don't know. She didn't get back till super late today.
Yeah, you gotta go left to go to Hayesville.
Oh yeah, we gotta go to Hayesville. Almost forgot. And so yeah, so we'll take you guys along.
Picked up the medicine. Now we're heading down to Atlanta. This is our views.
It's pretty.
It is pretty out.
The weather is actually really nice too. It's like in the upper 60s,
Yeah.
70s.
Yeah, it's cool. Not too hot, not too cold.
Supposedly they're supposed to get like 40-degree weather.
Yeah, hopefully not in California though. See, I don't know, I haven't even looked at the weather for California yet.
Me either. I didn't even bring my rain jacket.
Oops. Getting some shots of construction. Because we won't be here for 2 months, so it'll be interesting seeing how much this changes
Yeah.
when we get back.
Maybe the road sections will be done.
Yeah, maybe the road
Maybe.
sections will be done. Hopefully.
It would be nice if they moved a lot faster than they did on the North Carolina side.
I agree. But we'll see.
I mean, they've gotten a decent amount done over here, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. This used to be 3 lanes, so it's not like they had to do that much.
Yeah. It's actually gotten smaller, so it's got to get smaller to get bigger, I guess.
I guess.
Bunch of people in line coming up to the mountains for the Memorial Day weekend.
We are going in the opposite direction.
Yeah, for now we are. Hopefully that stays true. Yeah,
It's crazy.
they're coming up for the weekend, y'all. It happens every holiday weekend up here.
And then on Monday, Tuesday, when they're headed back to Atlanta, it gets backed up. Like it could take you a good long time to get back to Atlanta.
Yeah. Well, lucky we'll be in LA. Next stop of the day, we're going to Culvers. If you've never had it, it's like a Midwestern burger joint. They make really good butter burgers.
Butterburgers.
So we're gonna go in and grab some.
And custard.
And custard, yeah. Their ice cream and custard's pretty good.
Also, on a side note, the BMW, there's no park. You want to know how you park it? You have to turn it off.
Or put the parking brake on. But yeah,
it's
that's
weird.
It is a strange car. Here's our Culver selection. I got an onion ring. She got a fry. She got a bacon single.
Yep.
And then I just got a double cheese.
Nom noms.
Nom noms. How was your Culvers?
It was good. I liked it. It was tasty. We didn't get a milkshake this time though. Usually we do.
Yeah, it was tasty. The onion rings are good. The burger's always solid. Not the best thing ever, but it wasn't bad.
Yeah, I didn't really know what to order because I never eat here.
Yeah, they don't really have many of these up towards us. The first time we actually had it was in Orlando. They're right outside the theme parks.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But we're gonna get some gas, gotta clean the windshield, and then we're heading into some traffic. Stay tuned. Completed our second stop. We stopped at the gas station. I cleaned the windows a little bit. We added extra water because they are really baked on there.
Yep.
They
Bugs.
are bugs. Gotta love it. Now, heading to the hotel. Making our way through traffic. We got a little bit of traffic here in Atlanta. Got about 14 minutes till we get to our hotel. We're moving though. There's the Delta parking for the employees. Now we're heading up this way to our hotel.
This may also look familiar because we're trying to stay at all the hotels that are over in this little cul-de-sac. Oh look, Popo.
Yeah, we'll have stayed at all of the, oh wow, that's nice, all of the Atlanta airport hotels. Well, must be some kind of event going on or something, I
That's
guess.
the arena over there.
Yeah.
Must be a thing happening that we're not aware of.
Oh well. Almost to the hotel, y'all. Made it to the hotel, home to sweet. But it is packed with cars in the drop-off area, so we're not really sure what we should do next. There's no parking. It's all valet if you want valet.
It does look like there's a parking lot in the back, which I think I just need to scan my room key for, so maybe I'll just circle back and see if I can scan to get in.
Yeah, can't hurt to try. Made it to the hotel. On the website, it said that you could park yourself for free or as $34 for valet, but come to find out, it's only valet. So it's $34 whether you like it or not. Here is the Skytram to the airport, I guess, if you wanted to get off there. We're going to do that one of these days. But we'll be actually doing it from the car rental return for the first time tomorrow, so definitely subscribe to see that. A little preview of the room. This is what we're dealing with for the evening. Macy's doing her walk around to see all the features so we can do the room tour.
Okay, so this isn't very bright, but it's so not bright that they put a dimmer on it.
With a fluorescent, so it like, oh, nice. That's fancy.
Like, on. Like, it's got one it doesn't dip.
Yeah, because I got the wrong kind of light bulb in there. Yeah, so that's what we're dealing with. You can craft your ultimate breakfast. Now, what were you saying about the breakfast? What did you find?
It looked like they had 2 waffle makers, they had a pancake maker, they had a yogurt dispenser, they had like hot sandwiches, they had like what looked like maybe where they put cheese and fruit. There seemed to be like a lot of options.
Nice. Finished touring the hotel, got back to the room, tried to turn the TV on, and it's not working. I was hoping to watch the Braves game because it's Acuna's first game tonight. So I was hoping to be able to see it. It should be on Peachtree in Atlanta. Hopefully they come and fix it soon. I'd like to be able to watch the game. Hoping to watch the Braves game, but it doesn't have Peachtree TV. Somehow we're in Atlanta, and it doesn't have the Atlanta CW. The CW that it has is just another market's CW. Cool. I'm so frustrated. The guy finally gave up here. It took about an hour. The batteries were dead. I was able to get it to reset so it would turn on, but I wasn't able to do anything with the batteries because they were dead. But now we can at least flip channels, but it doesn't have the Atlanta stations on it for some reason. I don't get it. Ordered some Taco Bell for dinner. That's what my Mexican pizza looks like. Tasty. Nacy got 2 things of fries. She only ordered 1. Yep. I ordered sour cream. Didn't get that.
I ordered sauce for my nuggets. Didn't get the sauce that I ordered. I got some other sauce. I got a crunch wrap and I got nachos.
Yeah, what a pain in the ass Atlanta is.
It really is. It really is. It's an Atlanta problem. It's a genuine Atlanta problem. There's no crunch in my crunch wrap. It's not crunchy. It's a flappy.
What a disappointment. And Uber Eats only gave us $1 back. Yeah. Mess up your whole order. Don't get what you order, but give you $1 back. Seems fair.
So dry.
Well, that concludes our day getting to the hotel. Hope you enjoyed seeing what we packed, kind of learning what we packed for our trips, and
yeah,
fun of getting to Atlanta and dealing with Atlanta crazy.
Our travel days are always a bit busy and chaotic, which it is what it is. It's kind of become the norm of our life, but maybe one day we'll go back to having simple travel days again.
Yeah, maybe one day.
One day.
When we get to LA tomorrow, we have a couple stops we're going to make before we go to the hotel. We've got planned out, which we're excited about. Trying a new food place, maybe checking out some other things. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see that.
Yeah, it's going to be a bright and early day tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that video coming out soon too.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get y'all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.